So it's Monday and our maiden voyage is about to begin. Yesterday we arrived here, set up the boat here, it's a little pier. Today we're having 10 knot winds in the morning that goes down to 5 northeast winds along the Cook Strait. So yeah, waiting for Laura to get back and we're gonna head off on our journey. Pretty good, making some progress. We're on Fisherman's Rock Night right now, but it's very little wind and it's basically headwind, so we're heading into wind. So we kind of have some time today whilst we have the wind, and we're tacking and driving up to Cape. I forgot the name for it. Yeah, we just put the sails up, stopped motoring, and
predicted to be there at 3:37 just then.
Yeah, that sounds about right. At 3 the wind dies completely.
Staying at around 3 knots.
Yeah, so currently the wind's like 6 knots or something, and we're sailing at 3 knots with the main and jib.
How's it going, Rich?
I'm having a lovely time.
Enjoying it.
It's lovely.
What did we see earlier?
Penguin! We saw a penguin!
penguin!
A penguin. The first penguin I've seen.
That's true, I've never seen a penguin. I think I've never seen a penguin in the zoo as well.
Really?
Yeah. First penguin ever.
That was one of the best moments of my life.
Captain of the stern. Captain of the bow is in his deck chair, ruining the wind for the sails, of course, but damn, I'm sure enjoying my time whilst I'm here. This is just amazing. The Cook Strait, it's been very kind to us today. Went all over the rips. You can see them. You can definitely see the rips, but so we have a little guest on our little boat. We're 3 people on, and this is Rich, Laura's friend from Greece.
Hello.
So, what do you think? Would you?
Very relaxing, very chill. It's very homely in this in here, in
The little naughty lass.
Naughty Lass.
You loving the living open plan?
Yeah.
The living room, dining room, toilet, everything in one room.
Yeah.
Very open plan.
No,
Modern.
And I slept like a log. Perfect.
Yeah. a long day sailing, we have arrived and crossed
Cook Strait.
Yeah, it was a really nice sail. Nice and easy sail. And tonight we don't have any gas canisters, so all we can make is crackers. Just crackers and hummus and carrots.
I just trod on some unsecured bark and fell and hit my back on the rocks.
Are you okay?
I'm all good. I'm a bit scratched, muddy. It's okay.
It's not deep. We'll put some antiseptic on it.
I ripped my shorts in the middle. And I got no boxers. It's almost went down on my whole, like,
Last 20 meters. We haven't got any far away from the boat. It's just there. Loz fell over. Rich ripped his shorts. It's me. Who's next? Yeah, there's not enough wind. There's wind coming at 10 o'clock. A lot of wind, so we want to get in a sheltered bay by then. So before we're heading out yesterday, I found that our jib hook was a bit split. Yeah, it was starting to break, so I decided to make a new one. I've never spliced wire before, rope before, but I think I did a alright job. That won't go anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this, just so we don't lose the jib halfway through.
Boys got their little wetties on, wetsuits on.
Wetties. Is that even a word?
Parading cats and dogs outside.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah, we got a tarp over to keep us a little bit dry. It's been raining non-stop And yeah, we've just been hiding away in our little boaty. Today we are at Catherine Cove. We spent the night here and met a few people, quite nice people. They helped us out. They gave us some safety equipment, which is really nice of them. We're gonna take us for the trip and then give it back to them at Wellington. And we'll be heading off near French Pass to get some fuel. And then we're gonna follow a lovely boat that helped us out down to Nelson. They're a bit of a quicker boat, but it's okay. The weather forecast doesn't seem too bad at the moment. We might be able to. And now we're gonna go get some fuel. So yeah,